Child, if you missed the last workshop, oh my God, girl, it was so amazing. We had people coming out from all over the world. I even had my girl Michelle talking.
Yes, y'all. She went over S Corp, C Corp, tax deductions, child tax credit, y'all.
Man, Michelle killed it. You guys missed an amazing workshop. All right, we even covered systems. We covered marketing strategies, how to know your numbers. Miss Tamika killed it on that. And also how to master productivity.
Yes, y'all. And at the very end, you guys, we gave out certificates to all the cleaning companies that came out. They flew from all over the world, y'all. Like, it was such a celebration.
It was amazing. But don't worry, you guys. If you missed this amazing workshop that we did, we were so pumped up and excited. We said we got to do it again and again and again. So the next workshop is going to be November the 9th.
That's right, you guys. Go ahead and save that date, November the 9th, because you want to be in the building,
and you might want to hurry up and get those early bird tickets, all right?
Get out of this a lot. My brain is hurting right now. But at the end of the day, I knew it was the right thing. I'm glad I caught the flight. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I did it the last minute because I knew I needed it. And I'm glad I came because I feel like I've been struggling with my numbers. And I felt like this right here brought a lot of attention to my numbers, that I need to really not lower my standards just to make clients happy or gain a client or gain a contract. I feel like definitely looking at my numbers, and if it makes sense, again, all money is not all good money, and I'm learning that really fast. And you know, professionally, I'm glad I'm here because I'm taking a lot of information home. And it's not even about the money, it's also community, like finding a community that actually cares. You know?
On a scale of 1 to 10, would you recommend the workshop?
Yes, 100%.
100%. My biggest takeaway today was how professional that you and Tamika, Miss Johnson and Miss Tamika, was today with us, providing us with all the knowledge that we may or may not have and wanted to, you know, expand and elaborate on our business. Also, learning how the bidding goes. I had absolutely no idea about added taxes and all that. The knowledge here today was chef kiss. Chef kiss, 1,000 ratings. I will definitely come back. So
thank you from the workshop.
It's the encouragement, the motivation that I received while I was here, and working on my numbers. Got to start working on them numbers. So.
That's what, you know what? That's what everybody said on the last one. They said numbers, and more numbers.
There you go.
Listen, building a business is all about numbers.
That's right.
So you gotta know them numbers.
Yeah, and I really need that motivation.
All right. Would you recommend the workshop?
Definitely.
All right. That's all I need. That's all I want to know. Biggest takeaway from the workshop?
Knowing my numbers and the knowledge to do better.
Knowledge to do better. Would you rate? What do you rate this workshop? Would you recommend it to somebody else?
I would. I recommend it.
All right. That's all I want to know. All right. Next, we got Mr. Derek.
Biggest takeaway for me, pretty much all the information that was provided. It came across as clear and concise. The instructors didn't pretend they knew what they were doing. It was obvious they knew what they were doing, and they have extensive knowledge of what they do from day to day, and I appreciate it. I'd recommend this to anyone.
Awesome. Thank you for coming. Your biggest takeaway from this workshop?
First of all, very informative. Definitely learning about the numbers, knowing my numbers. The workshop was very professional. It was very professional, but also broken down to where like a child can understand. So I think it's a great opportunity to learn more about the business and to be successful.
Awesome. Thank you for coming. All right, biggest takeaway tonight at the workshop?
The biggest takeaway for us was the finance part, because we really didn't know our numbers and really didn't know how to process it, and that was so good for us. And then with all the informative information, it actually closed up some questions that we was not able to answer, and so they helped us out so much. It is so good.
Scale of 1 to 10, would you recommend the workshop?
Absolutely, and that will be 100, because I'm 100% satisfied.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Thank you for coming. Takeaway.
My biggest takeaway was just gathering all the knowledge of things that I already knew, but putting it in from the beginning, the middle, and to how to scale. And y'all just off the rails.
A lot of information.
Yeah, a lot of information, but I'm going to take it in, join the community, so I can be able to continue to improve myself as a business owner.
Yes.
And I'm just so excited about what I learned today. And you all off the chain.
All right, thank you, baby. I want to see all y'all in our community too. Biggest takeaway?
My biggest takeaway was starting a business and being an entrepreneur. And I rate this a 10 plus. Join the class.